Hello coders, how are you? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that might look cool, but trust me, it can cause a lot of problems if you use it multiple times. I am talking about important. In this tutorial, we will try to explain it in simple terms, so you will not get stuck later. Let's get started. Let me explain about important rule in CSS. Alright, so imagine if someone is yelling, "Hey, I don't care what other people say, I want this done right now." That's what important does in CSS. The important rule allows you to override any other rule, regardless of specificity. Let us understand it with an example. Here is the HTML structure, which consists of 3 different sections. Each section has a heading and a paragraph. Each paragraph is in a different color, but we have to check what important rule applies when we use it. First of all, we change the color of each paragraph separately. Check in the browser, yes, color has changed. Now let's change all paragraphs color with only P element. Check in the browser. Oh, nothing happens, because CSS first preference is the rule of specificity. Let's break the rule, just add important keywords after the color value. Now, check in the browser, yes, all paragraphs color has changed. The text color is red now, regardless of other rules, what they are saying about the P element. Let's see how important works. Normally, CSS rules follow a system which checks how specific your rule is and which one comes last. We can say that CSS applies rules based on specificity and source order. Let me explain what specificity and source order mean. Look at the rule. Let's write it in more detail and see what happens. Look in the browser to see which rule wins. Why is that? Because this rule is in more detail. In the next video, we will try to understand in detail. What is specificity in CSS? Let me clarify one thing here. But important ignores both of these principles and makes the declaration priority over other conflicting rules. It just says, I win. Let's move to next topic, source order. When multiple rules with the same elements are used, the last rule will take effect. As you see in the example, the last rule is applied and the paragraph's color has changed to black. Likewise, you can override the important value, but rules should be same. Look at the example. The color in the first rule is blue, now we copy the same rule and apply the green color. It will affect all the paragraphs. Check the result in the browser. Yes, green color is applied to all paragraphs text. I hope you understand well by now. Now let me explain why you should avoid it. I think there are multiple reasons. You should not use in CSS. When multiple important rules are applied, it is hard to understand which rule will apply. We need to rely on source order, or inspect the code to determine which rule applies. CSS is like a game with rules. Important is like cheating. Yeah, it might work, but everything falls apart later. If you used important, reusing styles becomes problematic. It forces you to use important again to override it, creating a cycle of overrides. If you are coding with team, and everyone uses important their way, it can lead to messy code. Developers might need to hunt for conflicting rules, which increases the time and effort for maintenance. Let me say, important is not always bad. It can help you on some places. When you are testing something, important rule helps you for quick fixes. Sometimes, third-party CSS is conflicting, so you cannot control it. Here, you need to use important rule to override third-party CSS. When you want to make something super clear for people who need accessibility. It was all about today's tutorial. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos.